Are sales bottlenecks killing your growth? Discover the 5 sales hurdles and how to overcome them with automation. First, slow follow-ups. Did you know that 78% of leads choose the first to respond? So we're going to walk through on workflows and how to trigger instant SMS and email replies. In our automations, we set up your CRM where it will automatically trigger SMS and email replies when someone replies. We have these preloaded for you, but we're going to show this right now. How this workflow is set up is the trigger is there's a claim offer, form submission, or same thing with Facebook, form submission, or the trigger is customer replied. It's creating an opportunity in the lead stage. And then it's also adding them to a long-term nurture workflow. And what we're doing is we're going to go ahead and create that autoresponder back to them right away. The whole intent is to have them book an appointment, and that's going to be through email and SMS. Now, the good thing is with this is it's conditional. So if they reply, it's obviously going to stop sending. If it doesn't, we are going to send out a voicemail. We're also going to send out another SMS, and it's just going to repeat over and over again until we get them to book with us. And you're out, you're not able to answer the call. So what this will do, and this doesn't matter if it's in office or you're a plumber and you're on a job, you missed a call. What it's going to do is it's going to assign it to either someone in office or yourself, create a tag, and then it's going to immediately send an SMS to the lead. It's going to push notification to the assigned user. Sorry, we missed your call. How can we help? And then what that will trigger them into one of the conversational AI bots that we have established for you. And the main intent behind that is to push them into book the appointment or schedule or whatever that call to action may be. Second, leaky pipelines. So with leaky pipelines, the last thing that we want to do is when someone replies or when there is a lead that we're not having anything fall through the cracks. So we're creating automations that are going to create opportunities depending on what lead stage that it is. And part of that will notify you SMS, email, Slack, whatever your best form of communication is, or we can have it natively in the app where it will notify you up top and say, we have a new lead. So never have to lose a deal. You will always have deals log into here automatically. Third, manual booking madness. So if you're still stuck back and forth emails, come on, it's 2025. Use our built-in calendar links and automated reminders. One, you can use our conversational AI bots that will schedule for you, or we can go ahead and set up specific calendars for you. Now, our calendars are pretty robust. And what we'll do is we can go ahead and book appointments directly through here. You can have someone on your team do this, or you can send out your booking link. There's personal booking, round robin, class booking, collective bookings, event calendar, service bookings. So again, the service bookings are for spas, repair service. If you're doing a lot of consultations, it's more service-based businesses, right? So we'll set up specific calendars, as many as you need. If you have 100 people on your team, we'll set up 100 different calendars, either one round robin or personal bookings for each person. Or if you're a service-based business, we'll set up service-based booking for your business. We can even connect that to your Google My Business profile. Fourth, dead leads lists. So you paid for those leads, now what? So re-engagement workflows can revive cold contacts on autopilot. So how are we going to do that? We're going to set up automation for you to re-engage those specific leads. Now, you'll see here, this is our new lead nurture. It's called our Fast 5, and it's for new leads that come in. But let's say that it's a little stale. And what we can set up is a re-engagement that triggers every 7 days. Now, we've even gone up and done this a little bit differently on how we are going to set up. So let's say that you struggle with you don't know the best content to use, or you want this to be a long-term drip campaign, but you only have maybe 3 or 4 emails that you currently have, but you want to keep dripping on them over the next year. Perfect. Let's do that together right now. I'm going to walk through. We're going to do a wait. I'm going to say 7 days. And then what we're going to do is we're going to actually use ChatGPT. And we're going to create a new prompt around this. All right, so here's our prompt that we're going to use. We're going to generate a series of 3 short, engaging nurture emails based on the following issues from a blog post that you use on a week-to-week basis. So what we're going to do is we'll go to the blog. We're going to copy this. We'll go back. All right, and we're going to use this right here. We're going to save this action right there, and we are going to go ahead and create the email. And then we're going to add the response right here. And what this will do is we'll repeat indefinitely for every single week, every 7 days. You'll get new content that will be dripping on your audience. So how amazing is that? So again, revive those dead leads, re-engagement workflows that revive cold contacts on autopilot, or use our AI. Finally, no CRM visibility. You can't improve what you can't say. So automated dashboards show exactly where a deal gets stuck. So you'll have full transparency on dashboards. We'll set up dashboards that are specific to your business. You'll see funnel. You'll see the stage distribution of the funnel. And we can break it out exactly what you need. Lead source reports. So where are your leads coming from? We'll be able to connect your Google Analytics, Google Business Profile, Facebook ads, which will finally give us a sales efficiency. And then every single month, what you will be sent automatically is a reporting based on all the information here that puts everything into a nice, neat report for you so you can know exactly where you're at and what needs to improve. Now, part of we got you CRM, we're streamlining your entire funnel, and we watch how everything connects, and we're able to go ahead and make real-time changes for you so that you don't have to worry about, hey, is this working or is this not working? We're making adjustments on automations and triggers to make sure that you're getting the greatest return on investment and you're seeing leads convert. So watch your sales soar. Use We Got You CRM.